Hello everyone, my name is Squire and welcome to this channel, this project. I'm a practicing clinical psychotherapist and my hope in this channel is to produce things of quality rather than quantity. I won't be posting very much, but what I do post, I hope it will be of some use and some help for anyone out there who's struggling, for anyone out there who's trying to make sense of all of this confusion and chaos maybe that is going on in your life or in society around you. I'm doing this project with a lot of humility. And the reason I say that is I'm a big believer in bibliotherapy. So what that means is I read a lot and I have my clients read a lot because reading to me, it's like cheating. It's like you're getting this glimpse into these people's minds that have been struggling with these ideas for their whole life. And you get to just read it. You get to see what they thought. And I really do believe that some of the answers to life's key questions that we're still struggling with today can be found in the writings and the teachings of great thinkers of the past. So with that being said, I know that I stand on the shoulders of giants. And my goal is to help bring those ideas from the past to the present to help us have a better future. While many people are looking forward for ideas, I actually look backwards. I look backwards because I really do believe that the ancients and some of our more contemporary thinkers of the past, I think they're actually really progressive. These ideas are progressive in that these ideas of how to live lead to the most progression in our lives. I really do believe that while research is showing and helping us identify what is going on and maybe inside of us, the answer of how to live life has already been answered multiple times. And my goal is to bring different ideas from different thinkers to help us figure that out. And maybe one of these will connect with you. We'll be borrowing heavily from Viktor Frankl. He's my favorite philosopher and psychological thinker. There's many reasons for that, which I'll get into at a later video. But I really do use his ideas, and I found that his ideas help people the most because while we can try to avoid certain things in our life, pain is not one of them. Pain will always be with us. And the only way through the pain and the only way to use the pain to our advantage is to find meaning in the pain. So that's what this is. This whole channel is on meaning, finding meaning in life, finding meaning in our pain so that we can use the pain as a vehicle for transcendence to actualize potential within us. So I hope you'll join and follow along and enjoy the ride. Thank you.